Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. If you're always snapping in low light conditions and struggling with dark photos, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the Ring Flashlight feature on Snapchat for 2025, a game changer that adds a cool ring of light around your camera for brighter, more vibrant snaps. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is the Ring Flashlight? It's a built-in tool that uses your phone's flash in a circular pattern, making your selfies and videos pop, especially in dimly lit environments. It's perfect for those late-night hangs or cozy indoor stories. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Open the app and head to your profile by tapping the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Next, go to Settings. That's the gear icon, and scroll down to the Account Actions section. Look for Advanced Features or Camera Tools and toggle on the Ring Flashlight option. If it's not showing up, update your app or check if your device supports it. Most modern smartphones do. Once you've enabled it, using the Ring Flashlight is super straightforward. When you're in the camera mode, just swipe left on the flash icon at the top of the screen until you see the ring light option. Tap it to activate, and you'll notice a soft, ring-shaped glow around your camera lens. Now, take your snap or record a video. The light will automatically adjust for better exposure. Pro tip: combine it with Snapchat's filters for even more epic results. One thing to remember is that this feature might drain your battery faster, so keep an eye on your phone's power. It's also great for group photos, as the ring light illuminates faces evenly without harsh shadows. There you have it. You're now a Ring Flashlight Pro on Snapchat. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Snapchat hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.